the song sounds epic. Look at this. Look, it's on YouTube. It's like...
There's more people coming.
Steven, I yelled at an old lady. Oh, if you're
horny. Oh, they didn't do it. We will get somebody. Woo! Yeah! Yeah, man!
Yeah!
Woo! Yeah!
That person has no spirit.
That guy has no spirit. He's got...
I think we're gonna honk the whole...
Woo! Come on! These people suck.
Hey,
gotta be a little bit away. I'll do it right by this apartment.
Whoa!
What?
Leanne used to live in this apartment. Fuck this apartment.
Oh, dare me to run by? Go. You guys gotta get ready to go down the hill.
Here comes another car. Woo! Oh my god, there's a bus. Do you think we can make the bus go? Woo!
No, don't stop.
I thought it was gonna stop.
I thought it for sure he was gonna woo!
I want to get on.
My cousin and I made a bus drive across Lake Erie Chainsaw. We were throwing dirt clods, like balls of dirt at vehicles. One had a rocket in it and entered the car and we ran. It was so bad. It was a horrible thing. Pretty sure it was bad.
Dude. Holy crap, that's loud.
My house got set down with a so pissed.
Hang on, can I just do it once down the hill?
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Oh.
I could just see him just running down the hill. Woo! I heard fireworks.
Wait. I want to send signals.
Woo! Awesome! Woo!
Wait.
Hang on, I want to do something.
I'm having fun with this already. Wait, the buses are running at midnight?
Oh, I just realized this.
What? They weren't. Look how
It
many.
didn't work. I think it's... Oh, dude. Oh, okay, the light's on. I was being a retard for a sec there.
Aerosol.
What's that?
Compressed air.
Can it burn fingers?
Why?
Because I just got a really burnt feeling because something came out and then all of a sudden it hurt. I was like, whoa.
Oh, it's compressed air, so you might have got it.
Dude.
Oh, he didn't push the button fully down. I was like,
Yeah, I have to do one thing in
oh
front
my
of the dog.
Dude.
Okay? Come on. I'll get you something.
That was attractive.
I have to, man. I got him.
I got him. That's awesome.
just so I can hear people plus listen to music. Oh fuck, he's going in front
Do
of me.
it! Yeah! Dollar Tree!
Alright, what? Hey! Wait, yeah, your turn.
My finger's on fire. Honk it, honk it!
Do it, do it! No, wait. What the f-
Yeah, it felt really cold.
Yeah.
Yeah, just let it sit for a minute.
being escaped, so, yeah.